synchronicity and coincidences have exact synonymous meaning. How ironic is that? You know, coincidences is when there's a correlation between mutually exclusive events or scenario. Or we can define it as a correspondence in event or occurrence in time. With synchronicity uses the same definition interchangeably, although synchronicity is a more contemporary word, right? With Young. Right, coincidence actually is a radical materialistic scientific interpretation of a phenomena that occurs on the physical plane that they cannot attribute any sort of causality to. You know, causality, cause and effect. You know, or antecedent, the cause precedes the effect, you know. So they can't find causality in synchronicity, so they say it's coincidence. You know? You know, so it's weird because from a physics perspective, physics attribute coincidence to based on an infinite amount of chaos. Right? Based on